Hey, power players! Sick of wrestling with buckle soft starters and messy wearing nightmares? Now meet VEIKOng VKS8000 series, the superhero of soft starters, which can save your time and installation space. Now let's break down why this is a game changer and see one awesome feature at a time. The first one, space-saving design. Smaller than the average soft starter is tidying up your setup and freeing up precious installation space. No more squeezing and struggling. The second, cape mounting perfection. The top and bottom cape mounting is a really masterpiece. Your capes will look so neat and organized. They are practically ready for an electric runaway show. The third one, install like a professional engineer effortlessly. Thanks to smart mounting holes, installation and removal are a piece of cake. Even you least tech-savvy team member can handle it with ease. The fourth, multilingual mastermind. The big vibrant screen speaks English, Russian, Spanish, syncopated as your personal translator, ensuring you're always in the know about what's happening. The fifth, feedback at a glance. The status LED is your instant cheerleader, flashing real-time updates and easy-to-do buttons. The sixth, flexible mounting freedom. The IP65 removable panel can be installed outside of the cabinet, and the easy access door makes life a breeze for installers. No more fumbling around. So why set for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? The VEIKOng VKS8000, where the innovation meets simplicity. Upgrade your setup today and experience the difference. Bye!